We have over 300 tribal nations that are represented within Spokane Public Schools. It's just an opportunity to celebrate, to be together, and to learn about one another. Say about a year after the Pauline Pascal Flett Powwow kicked off, we decided to do ribbon skirt workshops, ribbon shirt workshops. We do it for the entire month of April. So you get lots of community members that are coming in, bringing their kids, bringing their families.
And you're going to start it here.
Beginner sewers all the way to expert sewers. Some people bring their own sewing machines and their own materials. Some people literally have never used a sewing machine in their life. The goal is to gather, to be in community with one another, teach people how to sew. Sewing is becoming a lost art, and to get connected culturally as well. So it also has a cultural aspect to it, because ribbon skirts are significant within the Native community. To be able to wear one at the powwow is pretty special. The powwow has been growing, and so we're hoping it grows again this year. And we've seen many students that have been involved in these workshops come with their ribbon skirts or their shawls or whatever they've made.